Today we've got another exciting port day. We're in Cartagena, Spain. We've just gotten off the ship, as you can see behind me. Walking in towards town, and this city has presented us with a very beautiful harbor. I'll show you. Before we really get started with our tour of Cartagena and Palma de Mallorca, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone for watching our channel, Kelly and Vanessa Travel. If you're not subscribed to our channel, we ask that you please do so. This will help us continue to make videos like this. Also, like this video and comment below if you've ever been to Cartagena or Palma de Mallorca. Now let's get back to our port day adventures. What an entrance into the city.
But at the same time, we pay tribute to the Holland, white Holland, because the lady there.
Wow. Okay, we've come across a old Roman amphitheater. It's actually still pretty decent shape considering it's over 2,000 years old. Okay, so at the top of the Roman theater, they built more buildings that reach all the way to the peak of this hill overlooking the city. And there's a archway here. Lord knows how long ago this has been built. And we're going to walk through to see what it has to see. It's just amazing though that they were able to build stuff like this back then. And another question, why do they always build it on a hill? Don't know. All right, so I continue to climb. There's the entranceway we came through. And you can see there was one time some buildings here. Maybe they built them up here for the view, protection, I don't know. Let's see where else we go here. Wow. We're going to get a full view of the harbor and the city. Yeah. Here's our hotel.
Anyway, that was so I can do it by using the timer.
Very nice.
It doesn't work. I can't charge it. No. And yeah. So it turned out good though. Yeah, no. Yeah. We're gonna do this. We're gonna.
You really have an overview of that whole theater complex, and that was a church at one time. Wow. Well, evidently this was a pretty sizable Roman city, because when you're scanning the skyline up here, you can see all sorts of old Roman ruins. Beautiful. We were walking along the street and just came up to this very inconspicuous looking building that sort of looked like a church. And we had bells and come in here, and then we found this. Beautiful. Today we're in Palma, Mallorca, and this is the last stop on our transatlantic adventure, and we're going to explore this beautiful church behind us today and all the surrounding areas of this beautiful city. Okay, we've made it into the Cathedral Palma de Mallorca, and wow, I'm gonna tour around and show you this beautiful church, and it is really impressive.
I love the 35 lamps.
You see the shapes are completely.
Well, we just got done visiting the cathedral, and we are now out on the streets and back alleys in Mallorca, and just going to explore. We're going to the plaza to get some lunch, a few drinks, and then head back to the ship. Thank you for watching, and keep checking back for our next adventures.